In late December 2019, people in Wuhan, China began to get sick with the previously unknown pneumonia, marking the beginning of a new infectious disease, later identified as a new type of coronavirus. COVID-19 has been happening for almost 3 years. People must wear masks or get vaccine to avoid infection. Also, energy recovery ventilator plays an important role to refresh the air, which could lower the probability to infect COVID-19. Since then, we realized the importance of mask, vaccine, and ventilation. They definitely play a critical role in infection control, not only for this event, but also for future infection outbreaks. In 2020, Chinese government had announced that students may wear no mask under the proper ventilation equipment. Thus, people are more aware of the importance of ventilation, and thus the market increased. Speaking of the ventilation, the Beijing Local Building and Environment Departments have published the new design standard for ultra-low energy residential building in order to implement relevant laws and regulations on energy saving and environment protection to lower residential buildings consumption, to improve buildings quality, and to standardize the design of ultra-low energy residential building. In this standard, it requires the building to have, first, good insulation, second, good air tightness, third, energy recovery ventilation, and fourth, heating and cooling system, and other relevant green design items. So this standard helps us build an energy-saving, clean, and comfortable home. It has taken effect since 1st of April 2020, speeding up the green building development in Beijing. And soon it will take effect throughout China, which will greatly favor the energy recovery ventilation market. And now we can see that in China, the energy recovery ventilator is increasing demand in schools, offices, shopping malls, restaurants, hospitals, etc. Well, how about other countries? The market growth is more obvious in Europe. We know that in Europe, people are more aware of the ventilation and energy saving problems. And the global energy recovery ventilator market size was $3.20 billion in 2021. The global energy recovery ventilator market size is forecast to reach $7.74 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 10.4% during the forecast period from 2022 to 2030. This market is expected to be positively impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic due to the rising demand for products from the commercial and residential sectors. Through 20 years of development and exploration, oriented by health, comfort, energy saving, and going green, we accumulate strong technical strength. Holtop delivers high efficient and innovative heat and energy recovery ventilators, air conditioning systems, and environmental protection products to all kinds of buildings to create the energy-saving, environmental-friendly, comfortable, and healthy indoor air environment. Holtop keeps the leadership in the industry and is a highly influential and well-known brand. Holtop developed several heat recovery ventilators to meet market demand. Two mainly series, which are residential use and commercial use. For more details, please follow our YouTube channel or contact me, Amanda, at holtop.com. Thank you.